Industrial Brush Manufacturers, operating under the name TecSolum, is a manufacturer of high-quality brushes for various surfaces such as roads, yards, runways and other. The factory is located in Środa-Śląska, Poland. 3 modern production halls, 3 warehouses, a laboratory, an R&D centre and offices are located on a site of 5,000 square metres. The strategic location in the European Union enables us to offer our services worldwide. Our regular production includes roller brushes, gutter brooms, ring and strip brushes for practically every street or runway sweeper available in the market. We start production of brushes with a design based on the customer specification and needs, taking into account the most important parameters, including a type of surface on which the product will work. Then appropriate solutions are selected, with the type of brush, its dimensions, and material for bristles specified. Now the design is implemented at the production department. We start with production of plastic bristles from granulated polypropylene. The material is exposed to high temperatures and plastified in a machine. Then thick fibres are extruded that are cooled in water. At the next stage, the material is transferred to the pulling section. Here, the polypropylene fibres are pulled with rollers and then wound on a winding machine. Meanwhile, bases for gutter brooms are manufactured. The liquefied plastic is injected into a mould to form a plate. After opening of the mould, the component is stabilised in water. Excess material from production of bristles, plates and tubes is transferred for regranulation, and the plastic is once again used for production. Both the plate and the polypropylene bristles are fed into an automatic machine, inserting bristles into gutter brooms. First, holes are drilled into the broom base at the required angle. Then, on the nearby table, the machine inserts bristles. A bunch of fibres is supplied into the material feeder. A bristle is installed in the drilled hole with a mounting clip. The machine works at a rate of 100 to 500 hits per minute. Wooden gutter brooms are manufactured in a similar way. Following drilling of holes, bristles are inserted into the plate. The brooms used for surfaces more difficult to clean, for example, to remove weeds from pavements or clean dirt after winter, are equipped with wire bristles. The unwound wire is rolled to obtain flat wire from the round material. Then the wire is cut to the required length, and a robot pulls a bunch through holes in the plate. Wire is also used in ring brushes. The material is unwound from 10 cores and cut to the required length. Then it is formed to obtain a wavy shape, which is very important in the cleaning process. Later, the wire tips are heated and bound with a special plastic. Finally, the operator installs a ring in a press, winds the wire wreath around it, and the ring and the wreath are pressed together to form the final product. Ring brushes are also manufactured from plastic. Bristles are collected from the warehouse. The wreath is formed and then bound with a binding agent. Then the wreath is wound on the mould and is heated to obtain its final shape. Now let's see how roller brushes are manufactured. First, plastic tubes are cut to the required length. Then, they are fed into a machine. Simultaneously, holes are drilled in one tube, while bristles are inserted into the other. At the end, the brush is trimmed, so the inserted bristles are of the same length. The finished products are shipped to customers on every continent. At TecSolum, our priorities are high quality, our products, and excellent customer service. Please send your inquiry so we can tailor the complete product to your specified needs. Whether it is a roller or a ring brush for a street sweeper, a gutter broom or an airport brush cassette, we will prepare a first-rate product using the advanced technology and high-quality materials.